Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll cover the rest part of the chapter comparing quantities. Half part I already covered in the video. If you have not seen, I'll put the link in the description box. Go through the video. Now without wasting time, let's start. Today's first topic is ratio to percentage. How to convert the given ratio into percentage. So let's take an example. Suppose you are having two things, A and B, and these are given in the ratio A ratio B. Suppose the ratio is 2:1 and your question is asking what percentage of A is in A and B. Suppose this is given a box. Here are two things mixed, A and B, and the ratio is 2:1. Now question is asking what is the percentage of the quantity of A. So what formula we use? Method only. So what we'll do, first we'll see both A and B in fraction. Now what is the fraction of A? You know the given part upon total. What is total here? 2 plus 1, 3. So 2/3 of the whole quantity is A and 1/3 of the whole quantity is B. Now we will see the how much percentage of each includes an it. You know we have to multiply it with 100. So multiply both the fractions with 100. Now 2 into 100, 200 upon 3. Divide it, you will get your required percentage. Same here, 100 multiplied by 1, 100 upon 3. When you will divide it, you will get your answer. Let's divide them. When you are going to divide 100 with 3, you will get 33 whole 1/3%. And for 200 upon 3, you are going to tell the answer in the comment box. I think this is clear how to convert ratios into percentage. Second example is rupees 250. This is the total amount given and it is to be divided among 3 siblings and their name are A, B, C, and the ratio is given to you 2:3:5. Now let's see what amount they will receive and what will be the percentage of the money received by each of them. So first we will solve for A. What is the fractional part of A? What is the share of A? 2 upon total. Now what is the total here? Total here will be the sum of their ratios. So 2 plus 3 plus 5. Add them fast. 2 plus 3, 5, and 5 plus 5, 10. You all know that total comes in denominator. So 2 upon 10 is the fractional part of A. Now let's see what amount A will receive. So what we'll do to calculate the amount received by A, you will multiply the total with A's fraction. So 2/10 of 250. So you can cancel this 0 with 0. Now you are having 2 into 25. What is the double of 25? 50. So 50 rupees is the share of A. Now let's calculate what percent of money did A got. So what is the share of A? 2 upon total 10. But now what we are going to do here, we will not multiply with 250. Here you will multiply with 100 because you have to calculate its percentage value. So into 100%. 0 is cancelled by 0. 2 tens are 20. So percentage of money received by A is 20%. Now let's check for B and C. So amount received by B, first we'll calculate the fraction of amount received by B. That is, what is the fractional part of B's value? So B is 3. 3 upon total is 10. 3 upon 10 into, now here we are calculating amount, so we will take total value of the amount, that is 250. So 0 cancelled by 0. Now you have to find out the value of 25 into 3. So 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 75 rupees is the share of amount that B is receiving. Now we'll calculate what is the percentage value of the amount that B is receiving of whole. So what is the part of B? 3. What is total? 10. Now here we are calculating percentage, so we'll multiply with 100. 0 cancel with 0. 3 tens are 30. So 30%. Now we'll calculate for C, amount received by C and what is the percentage of money received by C. So first you will see fractional part of C, that is 5 upon 10. 10 is total of all the ratios, into you are going to multiply here with total amount, that is 250. 0 cancel with 0. Now you have to find out the value of 25 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 125 rupees is the share of C. Now we will calculate the percentage value. What is the ratio of share of C? 5 upon total 10, and now here you are calculating percentage, so you will multiply it with 100. 0 cancel with 0. 5 tens are 50. So 50% is the share of money that C is receiving from the given amount. I hope now it is clear how to convert ratios into percentage. Now next we increase as percentage. Now we will learn if a value increases or decreases, how we will know that what percent is decreased or what percent is increased. Now let's take an example. Suppose a person is having 100 rupees this year and next year he is having 80 rupees. That is, the money went from 100 to 80 to a person named A. So in this we calculate increase or decrease. We have two quantities, one is initial and second is final. Now what is initial and what is final? Final I hope is clear by name, means at last what we are having, and initial means it starting. Whatever value you are having, it your starting is known as initial. Now two quantities we have to compare increase or decrease, and then we'll compare it as percentage. Now first that person was having 100 rupees, now he is having 80 rupees. So here we can see clearly that his money is decreased from 100 to 80. So what amount is decreased? So you'll calculate it, 100 minus 80, that is rupees 20. His money is decreased by 20 rupees. Now here that it is a decrease, so we will calculate percentage decrease or decrease in percentage. So percentage decrease. So what formula we are going to use for calculating decrease in percentage is this, you have to learn, or you can just grab it by the concept also, that is amount changed upon initial amount into 100. Now this is the formula you will use for percentage increase also and percentage decrease also. But here according to a question we have to calculate percentage decrease. So amount change, what is the amount change here? Rupees 20, that is it is decreased by rupees 20. So 20 upon initial amount means starting amount. What is starting amount here? 100 into 100%. Now 0 cancel by 0, 0 cancel by 0, 20 is left upside. So 20% is the decrease in that person's money from one year to next year. I hope this is clear. Let's take an example of percentage increase also. We are having a question. That question is saying there is a school team that won 6 games as compared to last year they won 4 games and this year they won 6 games. So the question is asking what is percentage increase. You know the formula of percentage increase, amount changed upon initial amount into 100. So first of all you need to identify amount changed and initial amount from the given question. Initial amount is the starting amount. So when you are going to read this question you will get two data. is 1 is 6 and 1 is 4. Now you have to identify which one is initial and which one is final. So when this started, we are comparing it from last year's game. So this means this is our initial amount and the final is the 6. So what is the change in this? You can clearly see it is +2. That is, now the team won 2 more games as compared to their last year. It is very clear. So amount change here will be 2 upon initial amount, that is starting amount, 4 into 100, and this is percentage increase this time as it is clearly mentioned in your question. So now 2 into 100, 200, you will divide it with 4, 4 5s are 20 and then 4 zeros are 0. So 50% is the percentage increase and the games won by the team. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. आप इसको एक बार और समझ लो अच्छे से कि अमाउंट चेंज क्या होता है. जो पहले वैल्यू थी और जो अब वैल्यू है उसका जो डिफरेंस होता है वो होता है अमाउंट चेंज. अगर आपकी वैल्यू पहले बड़ी थी और बाद में कम हो गई तो वो डिक्रीज हो रही है, और जैसा इस क्वेश्चन में है पहले छोटी वैल्यू थी फिर बड़ी वैल्यू हो गई तो यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो रही है, तो मीन्स परसेंटेज इंक्रीज होगा. अब अमाउंट चेंज क्लियर है, इनिशियल अमाउंट भी आपको क्लियर है जो स्टार्टिंग अमाउंट होता है, और जब भी आपको परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करनी है तो हमेशा इनटू 100% करना है, और नीचे यहाँ पे हमारा क्या आ रहा है इनिशियल अमाउंट. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. So our next topic is very interesting, that is price related to an item. अब आप मार्केट जाते हो, कोई चीज़ खरीदते हो तो क्या प्राइस होता है. अब हम इसको बहुत अच्छे से समझेंगे एक स्टोरी की हेल्प से. सपोज आपके मन में आइडिया आया कि हम एक छोटा सा बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो आप एक शॉपकीपर के पास गए, आपने बोला भैया मुझे ये बॉक्स चाहिए टॉफ़ीज़ का, तो आप उसको खरीद के लाओगे. सपोज उस बॉक्स में 10 टॉफ़ीज़ थी एंड आपने सोचा कि बिजनेसमैन बनूंगा या बिजनेस वुमेन बनूंगी. सो आप वो टॉफ़ी का बॉक्स खरीद के लाए और आपको शॉपकीपर ने वो बॉक्स दिया ₹100 का. तो ये 100 रुपीज़ अब आपके लिए कौन सी अमाउंट होगी? ये 100 रुपीज़ आपके लिए कॉस्ट प्राइस होगा, बिकॉज आप इस प्राइस पे चीज़ को खरीद के लाए हो. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या होता है? बाइंग प्राइस इज नोन एज cost price. The amount at which we buy a certain thing is known as cost price. So this is clear. अब आप ले आए, आपने अपनी एक छोटी सी शॉप सेटअप कर ली. अब आप उसको सेल करोगे. सेलिंग मीन्स किसी भी चीज़ को बेचना. सो सेलिंग प्राइस. अब हमारा सेकंड कॉन्सेप्ट आ जाता है इसमें, सेलिंग प्राइस. पहला हमने पढ़ लिया कॉस्ट प्राइस, सेकंड है सेलिंग प्राइस. अब आप इसको सेल करोगे. आप 10 टॉफ़ीज़ लेके आए, ठीक है, आपने 100 रुपीज़ की टोटल 10 टॉफ़ीज़ खरीदी, तो आपको एक टॉफ़ी कितने की पड़ी? 1 टॉफ़ी. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 टॉफ़ी. सो आपके लिए एक टॉफ़ी की कॉस्ट कितनी है आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? जो टोटल मनी आपने दी है 100 और उसको आप डिवाइड कर दोगे टोटल नंबर ऑफ टॉफ़ीज़ से. सो आपको एक टॉफ़ी की कॉस्ट प्राइस पड़ी कितनी? 10 रुपीज़. अब आपने सोचा कि 10 रुपीज़ की तो मैं खरीद के लाया हूँ, बट इसको मैं बेचूंगा 12 रुपीज़ की एक टॉफ़ी. सो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 1 टॉफ़ी जो आपने डिसाइड किया है क्या है? ₹12. हमने 12 रुपीज़ की एक टॉफ़ी बेची. अब आपने टॉफ़ीज़ बेचना स्टार्ट किया, आपकी सारी टॉफ़ीज़ बिक गई, तो आपका टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होगा? आपने सारी टॉफ़ीज़ कितने की बेची? आप एक टॉफ़ी बेच रहे हो 12 रुपीज़ की, और आपके पास टोटल कितनी टॉफ़ीज़ हैं? 10. सो 12 into 10 rupees 120. So 120 is your total selling price. Cost price is the amount at which you buy something and selling price is the amount at which you sell something. तो अब कॉस्ट प्राइस और सेलिंग प्राइस तो क्लियर हो गया. अब हम समझते हैं हमें प्रॉफिट कब होता है, लॉस कब होता है, बिकॉज आपको फाइनली बिजनेस करना है. तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट. तो हमारी शॉप रेडी है. मैंने एक साइड कॉस्ट प्राइस लिखा है, एक साइड सेलिंग प्राइस लिखा है, और बीच में हमारा टॉफ़ीज़ का बॉक्स है जिसमें 10 टॉफ़ीज़ है. सो हमारा टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस था ₹100, टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस था हमारा ₹120. अब हमें देखना है कि हमें प्रॉफिट हुआ है या लॉस हुआ है. तो इसके लिए आपको 3 कंडीशन समझनी पड़ेंगी बहुत ध्यान से. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैम. व्हेन कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन सेलिंग प्राइस, जब कॉस्ट प्राइस सेलिंग प्राइस से बड़ा होगा तो हमें क्या होगा, लॉस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हम ज़्यादा में खरीद के कम पे सेल कर रहे हैं। अगर कॉस्ट प्राइस सेलिंग प्राइस के बराबर होगा, इफ कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल्स टू सेलिंग प्राइस, तो कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ, हाँ ठीक है, लॉस भी नहीं हुआ। सो दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस, ना प्रॉफिट ना लॉस। अगर हमारा कॉस्ट प्राइस छोटा है सेलिंग प्राइस से, सो हमको क्या हो गया यहाँ पे, प्रॉफिट, थोड़े से दांत भी दिखा देंगे हम खुशी के उससे। सो व्हेन यू हैव टू अर्न प्रॉफिट, योर प्राइस शुड बी ग्रेटर देन cost price. Now tell which one case is implied. Cost price is 100 and selling price is 120. So when you will compare it, you will see selling price is greater, and according to our third condition, when selling price is greater, we earn profit. Now we will find out how to calculate the amount of profit, then we will move on to calculation of percentage. Now as a great shopkeeper, now we have seen that we are earning profit. So when we have to calculate profit, what we do, we subtract cost price from selling price, that is SP minus CP. Our SP is 120, so 120 minus CP is 100. So when you will subtract it, you will see that you have made a profit of rupees 20. Very good. Now we will calculate its percentage, that is what profit percent you have earned in your business. So there is a formula for profit percent which you have to learn. So profit percent means profit upon CP into 100. It's very easy, profit upon CP into 100. Repeat after me, profit upon CP into 100. Now let's calculate what is profit here. Our profit is rupees 20. So 20 upon what is CP? CP is 100 into 100. So 100 cancel out with 100. So you have earned a profit of rupees 20. So and also it's 20%. Wow, that's same. So 20% profit you earned in your business. Well done. Now in your chapter there is one more topic that is related to interest, that is borrowing or lending of money, that we'll cover in our next video. So thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe.